We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful day. Chalo, bachcho, today we are going to sing We Shall Overcome. Okay, let's start. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. Okay, bacho. Now stand up, everyone, for national anthem. Come on. Stand up, everyone, for the national anthem. Okay, now you all know how to stand in national anthem. Hannah, we have to stand straight in order to pay it respect. Come on. So, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Okay, and I request to mothers, parents, whoever is sitting beside them, if you are in the room beside them, you also stand. Kindly stand. If you are in the room or beside them, anywhere in the room, so kindly stand with them. You know, they are going to imitate only us. All right, come on. Attention, everyone. Now, no one is going to move. Do not look here and there. Start. Jane gan man adinayak jaya hai Bharat bhagya vidhata पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद ओके चलो नाउ बच्चों who has written national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, who has written national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Yesterday we had learned about a new thing that I had told you that the country in which we are living is India. आप सबको पता है हम लोग इंडिया में रह रहे हैं. तो like every country, every state, they all are controlled by a leader. ठीक है, एक लीडर होता है, एक मेन लीडर होता है जो पूरे कंट्री या सबको कंट्रोल करता है, मींस रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बताता है, कंट्रोल करता है एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो that work is played by prime minister and president in our country. So yesterday we had learned about the prime minister of India. Okay, so who is the prime minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. What is the name? Mr. Narendra Modi. Come on, who is the prime minister of India? India पता है ना, इंडिया में रहते हैं हम लोग. You know the name of our country, isn't it? We all lives in India. So The Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, remember that. All right. Now, bacho, let's talk about the day and the date. First of all, you tell me how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week, isn't it? Yes, there are 7 days. So, as I told you yesterday, daily we are going to revise it after reading it so that you are going to learn the spelling as well. ठीक है? So, ma'am यहाँ पर लिखेंगे and you all have to read it. Days of the week. You all know 7 days are there. है ना? Let's start. So the week start with the first day, Monday. Come on. Monday. Monday. Say everyone. It is helpful to you only. Ma'am का कुछ फायदा नहीं होना है इसमें. It is fruitful. It's going to be fruitful for you only. Come on. Tuesday. 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 Come on, say. Now, after Tuesday, Wednesday. 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 Chaitya, pay attention here. आप वहां क्या देख रहे हैं? वहां पर लिखा हुआ है. Is there something written over there on the wall or somewhere? You pay attention here. Come on, after Wednesday, Thursday. 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 अब डेली एक बार अगर मैम के साथ इसे रीड करोगे ना, श्योरली यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इट. ठीक है? नाउ फ्राइडे. Friday. 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 Now after Friday, Saturday. Sat. And day. Day. Saturday. Day. Saturday. And the last one is Sunday. Sunday is a fun day. है ना? Fun day होता है Sunday हमारे लिए. Okay, write down. Read it. Sunday. 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 So these are 7 days of a week. So which day is today? Yesterday was Tuesday. Kal Tuesday tha. So today is Wednesday. Okay. Chalo. Now, today the date is 24 November 2021. 24 November 2021. Okay. So, November is which month? November कौन सा month है? 11th month. So that's why we used to write 11 here in the date. Chalo. So how many months are there in total in a year? There are 12 months in a year. एक साल में 12 months होते हैं. Months मतलब महीने. ठीक है? चलो, let's say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right. Chalo. Now, bachcho, let's move further. So, come on, everyone. Get your English 2 copy first. English 2 copy. Okay, so today we are going to write the composition on myself. Chaitya, are you feeling sleepy? Chaitya, खड़े हो जाओ, stand up and jump 10 times. Jumping करो थोड़ी देर और then sit. Come on. You are feeling sleepy now? हाँ तो jump. Yes. And the rest of you get your English 2 copy. Yes, Chaitya, sit down now. English 2 copy, write down the date 24/11/2021. So what I was saying, just a minute. What I was saying, that today we are going to write the composition on myself. तो myself तो you all know, myself आप सबको पता है, myself मतलब हमारे खुद के बारे में बताना. myself मतलब मैं खुद, ठीक है? So myself में what is your name? तो आपको बताना है my name is, है ना? How old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? तो that too. तो all the question answers related to yourself. आपको अपने बारे में बताना है, about myself मतलब मेरे खुद के बारे में. Which is your favorite color? In which city you are living? In which class do you study? Isn't it? All the things you have to say. तो जब आप ये सारी चीजें बताते हो खुद के बारे में, so that is about myself. मतलब मेरे खुद के बारे में. Okay? Myself. So today we are going to write the composition on myself. So myself, so you all know. Okay, so write down the date and the heading. Myself. जल्दी नहीं करना है. We have to read it and then write it. Yes. English 1 copy, English 2 copy is for grammar. Rudraksh. Okay? Grammatical part. Okay. So composition about myself. So myself में सबसे पहला क्या आता है? If we meet someone, अगर हम किसी stranger से मिल रहे हैं या कोई new person से मिल रहे हैं, so what we are going to ask to him? सबसे पहले हम उससे क्या question पूछेंगे? If you meet someone, अगर आप किसी से मिल रहे हो जिसको आप नहीं जानते, he is unknown to you, so he or she is unknown to you. So what you are going to ask? अगर आपको उससे बात करनी है, तो आप उससे सबसे पहले क्या पूछोगे? You are going to ask his or her name, है ना? Isn't it? अगर हम किसी नए से मिलते हैं and हमें उसके बारे में पूछना है, तो हम सबसे पहले what are we are going to ask? Okay, what is your name? सबसे पहले हमें name पता होना चाहिए, है ना? So first of all, we are going to write the name, the composition. Come on. अच्छा, M you can write in any of the form. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, and in this way also we can write. Actually, this kind of M we are using because it is in our book, in our cursive book. English 2 copy. In the beginning only I told na, get your English 2 copy. Okay, start. M-Y, my, read it. M-Y, my, then name. N-A-M-E, E, name. Read and then write. लिखने की हमें जल्दी नहीं करनी. Do not rush for writing. ठीक है? Reading is very important. नहीं मैम, it is not of GK. GK तो you all know ना, general knowledge तो. This is not of GK work. My name is. Afterwards, you are going to get confused. Okay, what comes in GK, what comes in English? My name is. Now you have to write down your name here. My name is. My, M-Y, my, N-A-M-E, name, I-S is. My name is. What is your name? Whatever your name is, you have to write. Number 2. Now, the second thing is whether I am a boy or I am a girl. आप क्या हो? Whether you are a boy or a girl, you should write there. Okay. So, I am a. If you are a girl, you write down girl, G-I-R-L, girl. And if you are a boy, then write down boy, B-O-Y, boy. ठीक है? You have to choose. हाँ, exactly. Surname also write down, na? I am a girl or boy. If you are a girl, then write down G-I-R-L, girl. And if you are a boy, then write down B-O-Y, boy. Do not write both the words. Okay, or choose only one. Then number 3. Number 3. Now, अब हमने हमारे नाम के बारे में बात कर ली. We had talked about our name and whether I'm a girl or I'm a boy. We had written that. अब इसके बाद आता है how old are you? Okay. So, I am. I-A-M am. I am. Now, mostly you all are, most of you are of 5 years old. है ना? So, I am writing 5 here. अगर आप 6 हैं तो write down 6. If you are a 4, तो write down 4. It's up to you. Change the day, change the years according to your. So, I'm writing 5 here because most of you are of 5 years of age, I think. So, F-I-V-E 5. I am 5 years. Y-E-A-R-S. 5 years. I am 5 years old, O-L-D. I am 5 years old. अगर आप 5 की जगह 6 years के, then write down 6 here instead of 5. All right? Change according to your date of birth. I am 5 years old. Arav Jain, switch on the camera if you want to sit in the class. Arav Jain. बच्चों रीड करिए, रीड इट एंड राइट इट. अबाउट माई सेल्फ मतलब मेरे खुद के बारे में, हम अपने खुद के बारे में बता रहे हैं. So write down read the sentence and then write it. And we have to say in this way only. My name is, I am a girl or a boy. I am 5 years old. Now, next question is, in which class do you read or do you study? आप कौन सी क्लास में हो? I read in HKG class. है ना? HKG में ही हो ना? or in LKG? Yes, you are in HKG class. चलो. So, I read. R-E-A-D. Read. I read. In. I-N-N. I read in which class we are reading? Which class we are studying? HKG class. So write down. Capital write down HKG, okay? H, K, and G. HKG class. C-L-A-S-S. HKG class. I read in HKG class. In which class we are reading? In HKG class. Read and write. This is all about yourself. Okay. Now, shall we proceed? Shall we move further now? Or should I wait for you? Write down, read and write. Parv, you are writing or not? And Dhruv Arora, have you written? Ara, cover your mouth. How many times I have to told everyone? What is this? Beta, these are the basic manners, etiquettes that we should cover our mouth while sneezing, coughing, yawning. किसी के भी मुंह पर हम लोग कर देंगे. Number 5. Okay. What is the name of your school? In which school do you study? आपके स्कूल का नाम क्या है? Do you know? You know? What is the name of your school? Root School. In which school you study? In Root School. So I study. S-T-U-D-Y. I study in R-O-O-T-S, Roots School. I study in Roots School. I study in Roots School. I study in Roots School. My name is, I am a girl or a boy. I am 5 years old. I read in HKG class. And I study in Roots School. Now, the last one is we are sending PDF for your convenient for writing the heading only. Do not write down the content from it. Do not allow your child to write down the content from it. Okay? We all have to write in the class only after reading it. We will send the PDF one day prior for your convenience so that you can write the heading at least. But that doesn't mean that the child write down the content from that from the PDF only. Number 6. Now, in which city do you live? आप कौन सी city में रहते हो? In which city do you live? Which city? What is the name of your city in which you are living? L-I-V-E, live. I live. I-N, I live in Kota city. In which city we are living? In Kota. Write down. Kota. K-O-T-A, Kota. Acha, listen everyone. Bachcho, always the name starts with capital letter. जब भी हम कोई नाम लिखते हैं किसी भी चीज का, किसी जगह का, किसी पर्सन का, किसी एनिमल का, एनीथिंग, किसी का अगर हम नेम लिख रहे हैं, वी आर राइटिंग द नेम ऑफ एनीवन, सो द नेम स्टार्ट्स विद द कैपिटल लेटर. रिमेंबर दैट ऑलवेज. ठीक है? सो आई लिव इन कोटा, K-O-T-A, कोटा, एंड सिटी, C-I-T-Y, सिटी. I live in Kota city. All right. I live in Kota city.